Oh my god. The pads are coming off with it. That's not right.
What do you mean? You always get the flickering, it's a bit annoying. Yeah, if you do the... should just pair, it should be hardwired. I'll just turn the skybox on, I don't know where the remote is.
Is that it? Do it detect them there? Normally.
Pardon?
Do it normally detect them?
Next. If you go next, it should detect him. Just keep your remote pointing at him. It's annoying, you know, because if I move closer, I see the flicker goes for a second, but then it's back. Got the right aerial cable anyway then.
They don't get a receiver.
It should do. I wonder, you know, if I didn't film this at 60 FPS, I probably wouldn't get the same flicker, would I? But never mind. I'll just go next for that, we'll do it manually. East Yorks Links HD.
That one.
Yeah, no, yeah. Whew.
Q? That one anyway.
Hey?
Well, that one, is it?
No. Yeah, it is, yeah, sorry. Will be Q tomorrow. That'll do, don't want Facebook on there.
I'm surprised YouTube's not there.
It's on as standard now.
Ah, right.
Oof, that's flickering like hell.
Need to do your sound now.
Yeah, gonna.
So I have to do the random settings.
Hey? Yeah, you just do the defaults. We'll sort it after.
Do I want to?
I'm just checking that ARC cable because I'm not getting any audio return. I might have knocked it loose. It is HDMI 4, isn't it, the ARC?
Yeah.
It's on the menu somewhere. I'll just go cancel. Oh, okay. Home theatre. Yeah.
power test.
Yeah, it's if you want to use the smart remote, just press it and just say yes, because I'm not going to use it for that. We're going to do it by
I
ARC.
didn't it? I had a click.
Yeah.
So I go, yeah.